Hey friends, welcome to Tips by Anil, and today's show we will discuss about the patch function. So what is a patch function? That is used to insert or update the record in multiple SharePoint lists. So here we have created two SharePoint lists, list A and list B. Now I will create a new Canvas app, and using this Canvas app we will try to insert the data in different SharePoint list using a single button. Okay, so here on the screen one I will add just a button, and suppose I'll change the name as a submit. Now on this button on select event I will apply the patch function. So the patch function needs the data source. Okay, so here I will search the SharePoint. Either you can put a URL over here. I have URL list A and list B, two SharePoint list I will connect. Now list A and list B are connected. So here in the patch function I will provide the source name. You can see the suggestion source. Okay, so the source is list A, and now the record is column A, and the value I will provide the hardcode value over here. Patch testing for list A. Okay, now if you have a more than one column, just press the comma, and here you can provide the column name, but I don't have more than one column. Now the same patch function for list B. Okay, and in the list B you can also use same thing, column B, and the value patch testing for list B. Now run this application and click on submit button. Alright, patch testing for list A and patch testing for list B. So the record has been inserted over here. Alright, so this is how we can insert the record in different list using a single button. Alright, in my next video we will discuss how we can insert the record in SharePoint list in lookup type of column, drop down type of column, or current user value, how we can insert. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.